Okay, before we get started drawing, I do want to tell you a secret of being an artist. And it's really easy to learn. Here it is. There are 3 types of lines. And if you know the 3 types of lines, then you can draw anything in the whole wide world. So let's learn them super quick. The first type of line is a straight line. A straight line has no bend in it. It can go straight up and down, it could go side to side, or it can even go diagonal or slanted. The second type of line is a curved line. A curved line does have a bend in it. It is going to be a circle, or the letter C, or even a swirl. I love to draw swirls. The third type of line is a weird word. The word is organic. Can everybody say organic lines? Organic lines are so fun to draw because they are wiggly, squiggly, crazy lines. They are lines that are found in nature. So it might be like the top of a mountain range or the edge of a puddle. If you can scribble, then you can draw organic lines. Now that you know the 3 types of lines, you are ready to get started drawing your dragon. So you are going to be using either a pencil or a black marker. I suggest you use a pencil because if you make a line you don't like, you can just change it. No big deal. I'm going to use a marker just so that you can see what I'm doing. So you're going to take your marker, put it in your drawing hand, and then take your other finger. This finger is important. This is called your planning finger. It's going to help you plan where you're going to start. So take your finger and put it right here on this dot. Find this dot on your picture. Now, you're going to start right here on this dot, and we're going to start with a curved line. Remember, a curved line does have a bend in it. So you're going to start right here and do a really big curved line coming over, kind of like a rainbow, all the way to the dot up above it. Then we're going to do another curved line. Start back at the dot that you just started on and curve line again to that same dot. You should sort of have a shape like a football. This is going to be the eye of your dragon. Starting right here, now you're going to go back to that same dot and do one more curve line, watch me, that curves on the top of the eye like this. That's going to be the eyelid of the dragon. Okay, now dragons, they kind of have eyes that are almost like snakes. So you're going to start on the bottom down here and add a curve line that comes up and touches that eyelid. And then we're just going to add another curve line coming down. And that is going to be the black part of the eye. So take your pencil and just shade that in. Right now, mine is going to look really dark because I'm using marker, but you're just going to shade it in lightly, and then we'll add the marker next time. Okay, we've got one really cool dragon eye. Now we're going to do the other one. So take that planning finger back out, put it on this next dot right here. Find that dot on your paper. And we're going to start on this dot and do a nice big curve line coming up to the dot above. Then start on the same dot and curve the other way to make that football shape. Now we're going to start on this dot again and curve one more time. This is for that eyelid. And then we're going to do our eyeball. So we're going to curve up into the eyelid. And then curve back to the side. And then shade that in lightly. Remember, yours is gonna look light and mine is gonna look dark because I'm using marker. But we'll add that darkness to yours later. Whoa, our dragon already has such cool eyes. Whenever you're done with all of those steps, go ahead and click the arrow when you're ready to roll.